Okay, so we're going to take some questions that have already been shared. So I can see that a lot of people are talking about not having been paid, not having received money that is due to you, about some amount of poverty issues that we are facing in this time. So I think Devapriya tried to explain earlier, and one of the things he said is that we need to donate 10% of our income. Now, when we say the word tithing, it basically means 10%. And I think for a lot of us, we think that 10% is too much. That is completely up to you. You are the ones who are asking for solutions from us, and we can only offer solutions that we understand, that we have also tried ourselves. So this is something that I have tried myself. Tithing really works for me, and tithing to the teacher, to Master Shokok Sweet, really works for me also. That doesn't mean that it'll you also have to do that. You can do whatever kind of tithing that you want. Tithing is donating 10% of your income to charitable causes. So just make sure, are you actually donating 10% of your income, or do you think you're donating 10% of your income? I'm just going to be very blunt at this point and be like, just check. Okay, we have a complete video out there which is called How to Tithe, in which we go into a lot of detail on how to tithe. So you can look at that video. It's on YouTube on our channel. The channel name is Sheetal Jhunjhunwala, which is my name. So you can check that out. Now, one thing that I also want to say, a lot of people are saying that, we are having financial difficulty. Now, when we're having financial difficulty, one of the things we need to think about is, what are we spending money on? Are we spending money on a dress that we don't really require in COVID times? Are we spending money on ordering in food, which maybe we could avoid? Are we spending money on buying things that are really not necessary at this point? So you need to think of that. So one of the things in pranic healing, especially when you get to, beyond Arhatik Yoga, we have Kriya Shakti. And when we talk about Kriya Shakti, Master says very clearly, you have to have a budget. You have to have a budget for your home, and you have to save 30% of your income. Now, I know a lot of people tell me it's not possible to, for me to save, I can barely meet my expenses. Well, I'm sorry, but I think you need to relook at your expenses. Are you living in a house that is too big for you? Maybe you need to move somewhere else and, reduce your rent. Maybe you have a car that you don't require and you need to use a bike. I mean, I don't really know, but, this is something that you have to think about. Now, individually, if you ask us, then it really doesn't help, because we don't know you. We don't know your situation, right? So again, I would encourage you to look at the video, How to Tithe. We've covered a lot of topics there. It'll be very useful. And again, we also offer financial healing. I specialize in business healing. I have had 25 years of experience in working in business. So I specialize in healing of businesses. So if you would like your healing to be done for your business, then I can help with that. And of course, our entire team is there to help with any other issue for healing, which is stress, anxiety, personal prosperity, any kind of medical ailment. We have a team for that. So you can just approach us on our number, and we will try to direct you to a healer, which will work for you in your budget, because we understand that budget is important. But we as healers want to help as many people as possible also. So yes, we have certain, this is basically a school where you have to compensate the healer. And please be aware that, when you engage a healer, you're not completely paying for their time. You're just, it's just a token payment. It's a token payment, and it's really important that you pay with respect. So if you feel, that your healer is entitled, and that you're entitled to something from your healer, then I would just say probably that's unrealistic. We're doing our best. We will always do our best. That is what we're here for. Okay. Now, one thing that somebody has shared is that okay, she's already shared it with everybody, so I think that's good. You can just read it. So basically what she's shared is that doing the forgiveness prayer for about 10 days, people who were troubling you has reduced. That's great, Priyanka. And also the MTH and the triangle formation also helped. So we discussed this earlier, the triangle formation, where you basically visualize the teacher and another person. Again, that's also there on YouTube, detailed instructions. I'm not going to repeat them right now for the benefit of others. So it's called the triangle technique, and it's on our YouTube channel. You can just look it up and you can understand how it's going to be done. And also for Priyanka, it seems that money that was stuck for a long time got released. So yes, forgiveness helps, tithing helps, and meditation helps. Okay, so that's that for today. And thank you so much for joining us. And we will see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Okay, Atma Namaste. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.